Hello friends, Sketchy's back and it's Easter time, which means it's time to draw some Easter creatures, like an Easter bunny. The first thing we're gonna do is use my blue pencil, which helps me kind of draw out the basic shapes. And then I use my black pencil to lock all the details down. So let's get started. First, let's draw a circle in the middle of our page. Like this, kind of circle. Then, instead of drawing a line straight up and down, I'm gonna turn it just a little bit like this. So just not straight up and down. And I'm gonna draw a line perpendicular to that line so it comes into a big cross like this. Then I'm gonna draw let's draw an eye over here. So just a little bit below this line, I'm gonna draw a circle. Not too close, and not too close to this one. A circle about this big. And the same thing over here. So about start there, and it looks like it's about this big, and down to here. So I'll draw a circle, and it's about that big. There we go, we got two eyes. Where this line meets the circle, I'm gonna do a V shape, like this. That's his nose. And below his nose, I'm gonna draw a little U shape, another U shape, it's about the same size. And in the center, where all those lines connect, I'm gonna draw a line that's just a little bit at an angle like this. And then I'm gonna draw a little T, upside down T like this. And then from the center of this upside down U, I'm gonna connect the dots. These are his teeth. See how cute that is? Let's draw a big highlight, and a little highlight, and a big highlight, and a little highlight like that. And now, straight above the eyes, let's mark on the circle where his ears were going to start. Same thing right here. You see I'm just measuring straight up on his eyes, the bottom of his ears. So I'm gonna draw his ear about like this. So from here, where that intersects the circle, I'm gonna draw a big U shape. That's his ear. And I'm kind of just trying to find which shape I like best. There we go, there's one ear. And inside this ear is the inside of his ear. So I'll draw another U shape that's smaller. And this side is gonna go the other direction. And instead of drawing the whole U shape like this, I'm gonna stop about right here. So, about almost halfway, a little bit more than halfway. And then I'm gonna draw a big U shape. So his ear is like folded. See that? So he's got a folded ear, and he's got a big ear. And this one needs to be a little fatter. So I'm gonna fatten it up a little bit. And I'm gonna angle that a little bit more. There we go. That seems a little bit better. And of course, inside here, just like the inside of his ear, I'm gonna do this. And where the inside of his ear meets the head, I'm gonna draw some little fur. Same thing over here, little fur. And in between his ears, I'm gonna draw a big fur. So he's really furry like that. And the outside circle to his ear, I'm gonna kind of do a line like this. And the same thing over here. Just cut it out like that. I'll darken in this chin shape. And then I'm going to draw his body. And his body is a circle that's about this big. And just draw a circle very, very lightly. Just super, super light. Now I'm gonna draw a circle on this side of his body. It's about this big. And the same thing over here, this big. These are gonna be his heels. And I'm gonna, from here where it intersects, Draw a straight line. It's about this long. And I'm just going to make a circle that's bigger than his heel. Super, super light. And I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to make 1 foot. 1 foot. See that? So it's narrower, but it's narrower by his heel, and it's bigger by his toes. Same thing over here. But this one is going to go like this. It's about the same, and a bigger circle. So bigger circle, bigger than his heel, and then kind of connect the sides. You notice I'm not moving my wrist very much, I'm just using my shoulder. Moving your shoulder instead of your wrist is a secret to smooth lines. I promise. I'm gonna draw his heel. A heel pad like this, and then a toe pad, another toe pad, and another toe pad. Now over here, the same thing, an ellipse for his heel pad. Well, like that. And then a middle toe pad with the ellipse, and then 2 other toe pads. Isn't that cute? I'm gonna draw his shoulder right here. Just kind of draw that in a little bit darker. And right here, I'm gonna draw a U shape. This is gonna be his hand. And then I'm gonna draw his little fingers like that, just little curves. There's his hand. And right here, I'm gonna draw just super, right here, I'm gonna draw super lightly a big carrot. And then this carrot's gonna come down like this. It's the bottom of the carrot there. Big long carrot. But of course, you had to have another hand over here. So let's draw a big circle for his hand. And then this is where his wrist is gonna go. Let's draw his little fingers. Little finger paw, like that. Isn't that so cute? And of course he needs some eyebrows. Let's draw some eyebrows in there. But I think he's missing something like his tail. So let's just make a little suggestion of his tail right over here. His little furry tail. It's time to lock it all in with a black pencil. Now remember the inside here. And what's fun about doing drawings like this is it's okay to have loose pencil drawings. It kind of makes it more interesting to look at. At the end of his ears, I'm gonna draw it really, really lightly. And it kind of gives this really nice line quality to it. Let's draw the eyebrows while we're up there. One of my favorite things to do is add a little weight underneath. It kind of creates a sense of shading. Let's draw these big eyes. Oh my goodness, they're huge. Remember to use your whole shoulder. Draw a little angle right there. My pencil seems to be getting flat on one side. It's losing its edge. I should turn it more when I draw. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed sketching that Easter bunny with me. That was a lot of fun. It's so cute and so fluffy. Hey, I want to see your sketches. So go to Facebook and type in sketch-e and see if I come up and post your photos there for me. I'd love to see them. And be sure to subscribe. Just down here, subscribe for me.